Some cars you drive because you have to, and then there are cars like this, the BMW M340i 50 Jahre Edition, the kind of car that makes you take the long way home even when you know there'll be traffic jam, but it leads up to those beautiful winding roads. BMW has always been good at blending driving pleasure with everyday usability, but this one, it hits differently. Because here's the thing, as much as I respect EVs because you can't ignore them now for their good usability for the daily rat race, most four-door petrol cars these days, honestly, they feel a bit vanilla. Efficient, yes, but exciting, not really. This though, the M340i, it is the exception. It's the one car I'd still pick over anything else if I needed something that does it all. And since we're celebrating 50 years of the BMW 3 Series, Munich decided to make something a little more special for Malaysia. This is the M340i X-Drive Edition 50 Jahre, limited to just 50 units. It is priced at 396,800 before insurance or 423,000 with the 5-year warranty and service package. That's about 8,000 ringgit more than the regular M340i. Under the hood, it is business as usual, and that's a good thing. The B58 3-litre turbocharged inline-six, 387 horsepower, 500 Newton meters of torque, X-Drive all-wheel drive, 0 to 100 in 4.4 seconds, top speed 250 kilometers an hour. You'd also be surprised to find that this engine is mated to an 8-speed torque converter. But don't let that put a dent in the car's credentials because it is smooth in daily use and razor sharp when you drive it hard. This must be one of the best engines BMW has ever produced, because what's even more impressive is that this very engine forms the basis for BMW's M's famed S58 motor. The one you'll find the latest M3, M4 and even the X3M. So yes, beneath the skin of this everyday sports sedan is the DNA of a proper M engine. That tells you just how good the B58 really is. This is why numbers alone don't tell the full story. It is about the pedigree, and with BMW, especially their engines, the story runs deep. They're never just built for today, they engineered with one foot already in motorsport. See, the thing is, making an engine is one thing, but it's also the way the car makes you feel. Suspension strikes that sweet balance, sporty when you need it, civilized when you don't. And seriously, this is one of the best things about the M340i. It's also comfortable. Monday to Friday, you will not be unhappy, uncomfortable driving this machine. Now, what sets the 50 Jahre apart from the regular M340i? Think of it as dressing the part. You get M performance parts, side skirts, Alcantara armrests, carbon fiber shift pedals. Inside, you get SensorTech perforated upholstery in Takora red, plus a leather-covered luxury dash with galvanic buttons. And because it's a special edition, BMW has given it the proper treatment. There's a plaque on the cup holder lid and an engraving on the B pillar, both reading 50 Jahre Edition 1975 to 2025. Interior tech-wise, it is the same facelifted CKD M340i we already know. The curved display with OS 8.5, Harman Kardon 16-speaker sound system, and a suite of driver assistants including adaptive cruise with stop and go and parking assistant plus. So yes, it's still every bit the modern BMW inside. Okay, but here's why I love it. You can throw it into a corner and it feels alive. Oh my god, just feels like just grips and grips. But then, calm it all down and it's just happy cruising home, traffic, nice scenery. It's not trying too hard, it doesn't punish you for daily driving. And yet, when the roads open up, oh man, it is so addictive. That's why I keep saying, this is the car that makes you drive the long way home. Because you just don't want the journey to end. So, is it worth paying the extra 8,000 ringgit over the standard M340i? That's really up to you. At the end of the day, this isn't just about specs. It's about owning one of only 50 cars built to celebrate 50 years of the 3 Series. And with just 1 or 2 units still around, it's as much a piece of history as it is a car. Anyway, whatever it is, M340i 50 Jahre or just the regular one, why I love this machine is because it feels like the old M cars in spirit, yet refined enough for the modern world. It is proof that when BMW gets it right, there's still nothing else quite like it. This is the BMW M340i 50 Jahre Edition, and you see one on the road, just know someone out there is probably taking the long way home.